Bible reading is taken from John chapter 1, from verse 1 to 12. Are we there? Alright. Verse 1. In the beginning, the Word already existed. The Word was with God, and the Word was God. From the very beginning, the Word was with God. Through Him, God made all things. Not one thing in all creation was made without Him. The Word was the source of life, and this life brought light to people. The light shines in the darkness, and the darkness has never put it out. God sent His messenger, a man named John, who came to tell people about the light, so that all should hear the message and believe. He himself was not the light. He came to tell about the light. This was the real light, the light that comes into the Word and shines on all people. Verse 10. The Word was in the Word, and though God made the Word through Him, yet the Word did not recognize Him. Verse 11. He came to His own country, but His own people did not receive Him. Verse 12. Some, however, did receive Him and believed in Him, so He gave them the right to become God's children. Hallelujah!